Learn essential saving tips for beginners. How do I save money? I'm here to answer that for you. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. As usual, we're here to deep dive into most things finance. Today we're going to double down on the basics of saving. We're going to be digging deep into some effective saving techniques that are specifically catered for the start of your financial journey. This will help you take that first hard step into securing your financial future. Let's jump into it. The power of starting small. When it comes to saving, starting small can really have some big results. Even if you're just setting aside a small portion of your income a month, it can really add up over time. Don't underestimate the power of pennies. As a famous supermarket says, every little helps. Hey, if it didn't help, there wouldn't be countless apps out there, such as Plum, such as Acorns, such as Monzo, which help you to round up those pennies. So I use the Monzo Roundup feature, and what it does, it rounds up every transaction I do on my card to the nearest pound and puts those pennies aside. I find this really takes no effort at all, you barely notice it, and it really does add up to a surprising amount. I hardly ever use my card, if I'm honest, to buy little things here and there, but I managed to save around anywhere between £5 to £15 a month just by using this feature. The best thing is, if I do need access to that money, I can take it out of the pot straight away, but you really need to try and resist that temptation and let it grow and grow and grow. Another way you can look at saving, crafting your saving plan. You can also work in reverse. If you have something that you're looking forward to or you wish that you could do, such as a holiday, a wedding, a festival, something that has a date, you can take that date and work it back. Take that date and how much it costs, work it back and realize, and work it back and figure out how much you actually need to be saving to be able to afford that for when you need it. So for example, if I wanted to save £1,200 this time next year, I'd work that back and I'd think, right, okay, I need to save £100 a month. I need to save £25 a week, which is just over £3 a day. And this is where the annoying thing of, if you just sacrificed your coffee, that's where it comes from. That sort of thinking. As frustrating as that is, if you are buying a coffee a day, could you put that money elsewhere? Could you look at it long term and put it to something more meaningful for yourself? A good tool to help for this as well is creating a budget. Smart strategies for saving big. So what you can do is you can incorporate both 2 points that I've already made, but you can make them smarter and require no effort from yourself. You can automate your saving process, and then all you have to do is carry on doing what you would do, and it will all be automated. It'll be automatically done for you, and you don't even have to worry about it or think about it, which is probably good if you don't think about it. Then it won't play on your mind. This can be done, for example, by setting up a direct debit and treat your savings account like a bill, and you can have that going into a high interest savings account where you can withdraw the money as quickly as you can. Or if you have a time frame where you know there are some accounts where they offer more competitive interest rates, but you can't touch your money for a certain period of time, if you know you can commit to that, why not take advantage of it? There's also looking around and seeing what could be useful for you right now. So for example, the UK government right this minute are doing a help to save scheme where for every £1 you save, they will give you a bonus of 50p, and they will do this for 4 years. It is capped, but off the top of my head, I think the amount that they're looking to would give you is around £1,500 free money just for saving money with them. Who would turn that money away for nothing? For doing what you want to do anyway and saving your money. Staying consistent and motivated. Consistency is definitely key in the early stages. It can feel hard work, but also you might not feel like you have anything to show for it. You need a bit of delayed gratification. A good way to stay motivated is by visualizing your financial goals and celebrating your milestones along the way. Some tricks for this could be, if you have a whiteboard like I do, you could fill out a grid, make how many blocks you need to save, and as you go along, colour them in, or put crosses in them, or anything like that. In one of my previous jobs, we had a thermometer. When we were saving money, we'd start with the bar and we'd fill it up as we go along. That way everybody could see it was nice and big, it was right in your face really. It was a bit obnoxious, but it really helps people keep focused on their goal, on the goal that we have. Using all sorts of motivational tricks really helps you to stay strong and start strong in your early stages of saving. Also, making people accountable for it and letting people know this is what I'm trying to do can really carry a lot of weight and also take a lot of pressure away from you. So you don't have to feel obliged to do certain things because people know you're trying to save money and trying to better yourself. There you have it. Some quick essential things you can start doing straight away to start your beginner savings. The key is to start small, stay consistent, keep your eyes on the prize, and stay motivated. It will pay off in the end. I hope you found this meaningful and inspiring. If I sometimes feel a bit wayward, I will rewatch this one and help me get along. If you did, be sure to subscribe, like, all the usual stuff. Share it with a friend, help somebody out in need, and until next time, happy saving.